Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tasty app. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Tasty app and you can click. Here in this page we go to first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon.